Hey food lovers, welcome back to today. We're diving into one of Indonesia's most beloved and spicy dishes, Ikan Belado. This fiery, flavorful fish dish has deep roots in Indonesian cuisine, particularly in the Sumatran region. But there are some fascinating, lesser-known facts behind this dish that we're going to explore today. Ikan Belado is a traditional Indonesian dish made from fried fish coated in a spicy sambal balado, which is a chili-based sauce with a tangy and fiery flavor. The word balado itself comes from the Minangkabau language of West Sumatra and roughly translates to chili sauce. This dish is known for its vibrant red color and bold taste, making it a favorite among those who love heat in their food. Ikan Belado comes from the Minangkabau people of West Sumatra, a region known for its spicy and robust cuisine. In Minangkabau culture, sambal is more than just a condiment, it's a symbol of pride. The fiery sambal balado used in this dish is often considered the heart of the meal, and many families have their own secret recipe. Balado, or sambal balado, is an essential element in Minangkabau cuisine, not just for fish but for many other proteins like chicken, shrimp, or even eggplant. It's believed that the technique of using fiery chili-based sauces in Minangkabau cooking dates back centuries, evolving alongside the spice trade, which heavily influenced Indonesia's culinary landscape. Ikan Belado is a staple in many Indonesian households, especially in Sumatra. It's not just a restaurant dish, it's a homemade comfort food. Families often prepare it for gatherings, weekend meals, and special celebrations. Each household may tweak the recipe slightly, with varying levels of heat depending on the family's tolerance for spiciness. An interesting historical note: during Indonesia's colonial period, dishes like Ikan Belado became symbols of resistance. Spicy food was often avoided by colonial rulers, which led Indonesians to embrace and elevate fiery dishes like sambal as a form of cultural defiance, holding on to their traditions and flavors despite foreign influences. Now, let's talk about how Ikan Belado is made. The first step is preparing the fish. Traditionally, mackerel or snapper is used. The fish is seasoned with salt and lime juice, then fried until crispy. While the fish is frying, we prepare the sambal balado, which is made from red chilies, shallots, garlic, and tomatoes, all pounded together to create a chunky paste. Host begins preparing the dish, showing the process of frying the fish and making the sambal. The secret to an authentic sambal balado lies in frying the chili paste. After pounding the ingredients, the sambal is sautéed in oil until it turns a deep red and the flavors meld together. This frying process, known as tumisan, is key to releasing the aromas and intensifying the spice. Once the fish is crispy and the sambal is ready, we coat the fish in that spicy balado sauce. The result is a dish that's fiery, tangy, and incredibly flavorful. In Indonesia, ikan belado is often served with simple sides like steamed rice and stir-fried vegetables, which help balance the heat of the dish. Host takes a bite of the dish, smiling at the camera. Believe it or not, sambal, especially sambal belado, has made its way into Indonesian diplomacy. Indonesian diplomats often serve traditional dishes, like ikan belado, at international gatherings as a way to showcase the bold, vibrant flavors of their homeland. It's a point of pride for the nation and a reminder of Indonesia's rich culinary heritage. Ikan belado is a dish that perfectly captures the essence of Indonesian cuisine, spicy, bold, and deeply connected to the culture and history of the region. Whether you're a fan of spicy food or just looking to try something new, ikan belado is a must-try. The combination of crispy fried fish and that fiery sambal will leave you wanting more. Before refrigeration, sambal was not just a flavorful addition to meals, but also a method of preserving food. The high concentration of chili and salt in sambal belado helped slow down the spoilage process, allowing dishes like ikan belado to stay fresh for longer, especially in Indonesia's tropical climate. Although ikan belado is seen as a humble home-cooked dish today, it once had a place in Indonesian royal banquets. During the height of the Minangkabau kingdom, the royal family enjoyed variations of ikan belado as part of their lavish feasts. The richness of the spices and the skill required to balance the sambal made it worthy of royal attention. While ikan belado originates from Sumatra, it has traveled across the Indonesian archipelago, with each region adding its own twist. In some parts of Java, tamarind is added to the sambal for a tangier flavor, while in Sulawesi, the dish might include more aromatic herbs like lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves. In the Minangkabau culture, offering ikan belado to guests is considered a gesture of hospitality. The intensity of the sambal belado symbolizes the warmth and vibrancy of the host's home. The spicier the sambal, the more heartfelt the welcome, making ikan belado not just a dish but a symbol of generous hospitality. The use of chili peppers in Indonesia can be traced back to Portuguese traders who introduced the chili to Southeast Asia in the 16th century. Before this, Indonesian dishes did not have the same level of heat. Ikan belado, with its spicy sambal, is a product of this historic culinary exchange, blending indigenous cooking with foreign influences. While it's commonly made at home, ikan belado is also a popular street food in many parts of Indonesia. Vendors often prepare large batches of the dish, keeping the fried fish separate from the sambal. This allows them to customize the spice level for each customer, making it a versatile and customizable street meal. Sambal belado doesn't just add flavor, it also has health benefits. Chili peppers are rich in capsaicin, which can boost metabolism and help with digestion. Garlic and shallots, common ingredients in the sambal, are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making ikan belado a dish that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Ikan Belado, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this dish or if you have any other Indonesian recipes you'd like me to explore. See you next time, and selamat makan.